everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Level ITG case for the iPhone SE, iPhone 5S, and iPhone 5. This is from a company called Patchworks, and I've actually have been using Patchwork cases and screen covers, their silicate screen covers, for over 2 years now, and I haven't had a single phone break. I haven't had a single glass or silica cover break either, which is very cool. Although I do keep very good care of my phone. I do go out periodically into the wilderness, so I don't just keep it in an office, but they do a very good job of creating cases that are thin, but then also are quite protective. So if you have an iPhone 5, iPhone 5S, or iPhone SE, I would consider the Level case from Patchworks. I do like Patchworks. I've used their, like I said, products for multiple years, and they've done quite well. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.